The F sound is a common sound in the English language, but it can be tricky for ESL students to master. In this tutorial, we will explore how to correctly pronounce words that contain the F sound, such as fun and food, using many illustrative examples. First, let's focus on the sound itself. The F sound is made by pressing the bottom lip against the top teeth and pushing air through the mouth. It is a voiceless sound, meaning that the vocal cords do not vibrate when producing it. To practice making the F sound, try saying the word fun slowly and exaggerating the lip movement. Now, let's move on to some examples of words that contain the F sound. Take the word elephant. In this case, the F sound appears in the middle of the word. Remember to push air through your mouth and press your bottom lip against your top teeth when saying elephant. Here are some more examples of words with the F sound. 1. Family. 2. Coffee. 3. Información. 4. Food. 5. 15. Practice saying these words out loud and pay attention to how you form the F sound. Remember to press your bottom lip against your top teeth and push air through your mouth to produce the correct sound.